Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the device is powered, on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile link, and signed into the account tied to the gallery. Once done, open the gallery app, navigate to Settings or Account. Tap Sync or Cloud Backup. That begins the authorization flow. If prompted, grant permissions for storage, photos, and background sync. This initial sequence ensures the app can access files and persist changes. Keep an eye on any permission dialogues and accept them to continue. Now configure what syncs and how. You'll choose specific folders or albums, commonly camera, screenshots, and downloads, so you don't upload everything. Then pick upload quality. Original preserves full resolution, high save space, and economy minimizes data. Make sure to balance quality versus storage and mobile data. Finally, set triggers. Enable auto for continuous updates or Wi-Fi only to avoid charges. Once these are set, the app queues items and sync starts according to your preferences. Finish by checking the sync status indicator and the timestamp for the most recent uploads. That confirms success. If items don't appear, force a manual sync or restart the app. That often resolves temporary stalls. Make sure storage quotas aren't full and reauthorize the account if permission errors persist. If problems continue, clear the app cache, then sign out and back in. That refreshes tokens and typically restores normal sync behavior. This is the key troubleshooting step to resolve lingering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.